in my fridge.
What?
Food is in my fridge.
Oh.
It's at my house.
Uh-huh.
And you have? And you have?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
And you can choo-choo. You can count choo-choo.
Mm-hmm.
My box. At my letterbox.
Your letterbox?
Yeah.
Oh.
They cups at my house and they sippy cups at my house. Did
Really?
you know that?
You have all kinds of stuff at your house, huh?
I can color pictures.
You can?
Yeah.
Wow.
They can be monsters on them.
Monsters on them?
Yeah.
Wow.
And my mom and dad on them.
Well, you make pictures of your mom and dad?
Yeah.
Oh.
And there is and me on the picture of the mine.
Itsy bitsy spider.
When I get push it, when I get push the button, when it stops, when I can stop, when I can.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I did. I did.
Take me out to the ballroom.
I did it. I pushed it. To get to the ball game is Daddy's game.
Oh, Thaddeus likes that song, doesn't he? Does that shirt have buttons on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher.
Does he sing with his teacher
Yeah.
at school?
Yeah.
Mm.
Does.
Do you sing with your teacher at Cheryl's house?
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I put it in the toilet at Cheryl's house.
Good for you. You didn't do it at my house. When you're a big boy,
When
you
I
will, huh?
when I grow big, like my brother, when I get animal cups.
Oh.
I pushed it. When my turn is over, when it's my turn.
Mm-hmm.